What?
Sufficiently loose.
Now that everyone's sufficiently loose, I said I'm gonna do like little interviews.
Sufficiently loose. Hi.
So
Oh,
what?
big smiles.
When you move to Colorado/Wyoming, are you gonna be the head of an AP Mommy's Night?
Absolutely.
Yeah. We're gonna hold to that. There's Abra.
Laying in the hallway.
That's why it's really hard. Attachment. You're not an attachment parent. Let me just. Well, you're kind of an attachment parent.
Well, you just need to tell me the rule.
You already broke most of it. We like you doing.
I still sleep with my children. Does that count for something?
It does. It does. We still like you.
Hi,
Hi. What?
my name is Osha. I am an addict to being a mother. Don't judge me.
What's the
You guys all work. You might not
None of us work.
away from your
You're
children.
the alien.
Yes, you do.
You were just trying to watch me for no reason. You know that? That was sweet.
That is true. I do work. I just stay at home while doing stuff.
Which
Okay.
is my goal eventually.
What is so important about going to Mommy's Night, Osha?
Where? I forget that I have a child because he's playing with other children.
And you're brushing his hair with the dustpan.
And I comb my child's hair with a dustpan.
Oh, we're gonna look back on this one day. Okay, this is what the boys are doing. Here we go. See if we can follow him. There's the madness. Here it goes. Andrew, are you eating the cookie? It's Andrew. He's on the floor eating a cookie.
It's pink. Portland, Maine.
On Portland.
It was like 45 minutes northeast of Portland, Maine. But
What do you like about Mommy's Nights?
it's so relaxing. How would you comb my hair with a dustpan?
Mom or your dad? Mostly it's because we get to talk about placenta.
I have some in my fridge.
Breastfeeding issues. Torn nipples.
Oh, the nipple tears.
Vagina pulling out. Baby poo.
Raging rashes.
And how all of our kids are a genius.
All of our kids are advanced.
Kids are genius.
When advanced children learn from other advanced children, it makes you
Yeah.
3 times.
Yes, Cyan. Come here. Say something really smart.
Yes.
Okay.
He said yes. He didn't say I don't know.
He didn't just stare at me. These are all good signs.
Leaving your stuff around.
It's a little taste of Mommy's Night.
I love this so much. I'm gonna have